flat, but you won't find them up there in the sky.
Try, try, try.